Thank you everyone for joining in the Artha 2.0 launch. We are starting with the first webinar on how to boost earning for creator, how creator can master their audience monetization. So let's jump into understanding what the day in the creator's life looks like, right? So when we talk about creator, ideally they start their day with the content planning. Then they do a lot of recordings or writing of the content. Then they do editing on the content. Then they post all this content on the social media and they engage with their audience or their followers on the social media. To monetize all these things, they negotiate with different brands to earn revenue from the audience monetization. And after doing all these things, they get a lot of followers on multiple social media, be it LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. They get a lot of followers everywhere. But one of the key aspect of audience or being a creator is earning revenue out of their audience. And what are some of the key monetization strategies for creators is recently all the different platforms like Twitter, Meta, or Instagram, TikTok, they have started sharing the ad revenue with them. That is one of the good way to earn the money out of audience monetization or creating the content, right? Then the next thing comes is brand deals or the sponsorship. So you go to a lot of let's say if you are a content creator who is writing a lot of things about AI, then you can go to ChatGPT or all the recent AI tools and ask them that, okay, I have audience of 100K, 200K, 500K. I'll share your products within my audience and I would charge certain amount for that, right? Third thing is building courses around the niche community which you have. As an example, let's say AI community, then you can create on how to uh, write the correct prompt or the courses around prompt engineering, right? Then you can create your small membership, uh, audience membership for the premium content, or you can give one-on-one mentorship using these memberships. And the fifth thing is creating your own merchandise. Now, all these different revenue streams have a lot of problems in nature. So, if we understand what are the core problems behind all this monetization strategy, one of the key problem with all of them is revenue inconsistency. So every month all the social media platform changes their algorithm and that fluctuates your ad revenue, right? And that is not consistent. Second, if you talk about brand deals, that is also not consistent. One month you have 10 brands working with you, second month you don't have uh, any of the brands working with you. If we talk about platform dependency, now all these audience are sitting on the third party platform. You don't have a first party data of who your followers are, their phone number, their email ID. So you have a great dependency on all these third party platforms like Twitter, YouTube, Meta, etc. Let's say if they ban your account, all your followers, everything is gone, right? If your account gets hacked, then all your followers are gone. Now you have a very uh, tight dependency with all this platform, and that can create a lot of problem going forward. The next problem is if you want to monetize, right, you need a larger follower base. So, for example, in Twitter, ideally, if you have more than 50,000 followers, then you can get probably around $100 a month to 600, $700 a month. Similarly, if we talk about YouTube, if you have, let's say, more than 50,000, 1 lakh subscriber, then you get good amount of revenue out of it. But if you have, let's say, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 followers, then you don't have, then you cannot earn good amount of money out of it, right? Fourth problem is they have very limited engagement options. So ideally, there is only one way to engage with your audience. You post your content and they consume your content, right? There is no other way you can communicate with them. You don't have a first party data like email ID and phone number to engage with your audience. And overall, because you are completely dependent on this third party data, the overall lifetime value of your audience is very low because it keeps on fluctuating with the platform changes, with not having the first party data. And that is a huge challenge for creators today, that if this platform keeps on changing their mm, algorithms, then the revenue gets decreased continuously, right? Now, since there is a problem, there is the opportunity. So it is said, right, that for every problem, there is an opportunity. And for this inconsistent revenue, inconsistent monetization, there is a problem. And that problem can be solved by a job board or creating a niche job board. So if you are running your niche AI community, then in that community, you must have a candidate who is looking for a job in an AI domain. And there are employers who is looking for trained AI candidates, right? So launching a niche job board can help your community connecting with each other, and you can monetize your job board alongside that. Now, what are the secret source of successful job boards? So first and foremost thing is the candidate who is looking for job. Second, employer who is looking for the right talent or the right candidate. Third is the job. You need to have the job in your job board to make a successful job board uh, for your audience. And fourth is the right licenses. So you need, if you want to monetize your job board or the audience, then you need to have the right licensing uh, for having a successful job board. Now, as a creator, you have all of them, right? For example, if you have 100K followers on any of the social media, then many of them are candidates or talent who is looking for some kind of a job. Same in that 1 lakh followers or 100K followers, you have a lot of employers who is also looking for the right candidate or a suitable candidate. And if you are running your courses, your different courses for AI or anything, right, your niche community, then you already have someone who is interested in upskilling themselves, and you can then push them into your job board and tell them that, okay, since you have gone through my course, you can also find a suitable job relevant to your niche on your job board. So as a creator, you have all of them. The remaining two, the jobs and the license, that's where platform like job board comes in the picture. They have a lot of features around that. They have one of the feature called backfilling. It allows you to automatically fill all the jobs on your platform depending on your niche. And going in Artha 2.0, we will share how Artha can do all those backfilling, and how we allow you to create different licenses, right? Now, what are the ways a creator can monetize their job board? So first is, you can, since you already have an audience, since you already have employers in your audience, you can ask your employer to post a job on your platform so you can earn revenue from the job ads. Second, you can sell this as a subscription model to employer as well as candidate. So if you are a niche job board working only in AI, then you can charge your candidate saying that, okay, we have hundreds of job posts specifically for AI. We would charge you $1 a month to access our job board. And that way you can create a subscription and monetize your audience, right? Third thing is affiliate partnership. So you can launch your own courses, or you can partner with other creators or training institutes who are providing courses or certification. And you can list them on your job board saying that, okay, these are our affiliate partners. And then you can earn revenue out of it. The fourth is a CPC job, or usually it is called as programmatic jobs. So every click these jobs get on your job board, you can earn certain cents for each click on your job board. So that these are the major four ways you can monetize your job board as a creator. Now, we would like to present some case study over here. So there is a niche marketing community called Superpath, and they are earning 100 and so close to 100K per year by building their professional niche job board, especially for marketing professionals. So they have close to 20,000 first party candidate data with their email ID and phone number. They have close to 70,000 website visitor per month on the job board. And this is the example that, okay, if you are a niche community working on certain industries, be it marketing, tech, AI, anything, then you can earn starting from $10,000 a year up to 200K or 500K dollars a year. So that's the revenue potential a job board have for any niche community creator. Now, if you are a community creator and you want to launch your job board, then we have a very efficient and simple tool available for you, which is an Artha job board. So that is AI enabled. It allows you to launch multiple revenue stream. It allows you to monetize your audience very easily. So that's it. This is how creator can monetize their whole audience. They can earn revenue from the audience. If you have any questions, I would love to answer all the questions.